Then I have created a sheet of NITs. So this is the data I got from Wikipedia. So I don't think we need established, and so this I'll just explain what is it. So first column is the rankings. So I have listed down the colleges NITs based on their rankings. So I mean, top uh, two or top three are mostly generally interchangeable based on their current year's performance, but NIT Warangal and NIT Tichabali is always on the top. So these are the top two colleges that even I think I'll aim for in case I don't get any of the triple ITs or IITs. So I'll definitely aim on these two colleges because they are one of the most prestigious NITs. So and they are very difficult to get as well because of their high gate cutoff. So I've listed down all the colleges. So all the NITs. So there are around 30 NITs, and based on their rankings, I have filled this. So rankings are not exact because they are what I got from internet. So they're not exact, but yes, you can say that top 5 or top 10 are generally interchangeable. So they are the ones. In case you feel that some of the colleges ranking is higher, maybe like I stay in Delhi, so I want NIT Delhi would be a good option for me than maybe choosing a Rourkela college. So what will happen is, I mean, I will keep that rank on higher, and I'll keep Rourkela in the lower of my priorities. So you can do whatever you want. If you don't want to mess up with this sheet and you want to put your own priority, so you can insert a sheet, and you can put priority, and you can say that your first priority is these two colleges, or maybe Suratkal also, and then second is NIT Delhi. Or if you think NIT Delhi you don't want, and you can just keep it at the lower priority, and you can say this is the second one and this is the third one. So you can, based on this, you can put your priority, and you can sort the sheet from smallest to largest from these priority ring. So you can see the sort smallest to largest. You can sort based on that. Like in here I have listed down the college, the date of their establishments, their short names, and their city and state and website, the forms and important dates. So NIT admission happens through CCMT, and CCMT form is not yet out. So you can after gate CCMT form will be coming, and based on that those forms specific NITs do not have forms, but yeah, on the counseling you have to register for the particular college. So you can discard this particular column in case you don't want this, or you can just change it accordingly. So what I would do is I would want to put as gate score. So I'll put my gate score here, and I'll try to consolidate a particular range of gate score, like based on information from internet, or I don't know, I mean, from friends, or in case I'm applying, so I can just see which colleges I get a call from, and I can just fill this particular column, or I can just delete it if it's not required. I don't think this is required, so I can just delete it. And I can put important dates. So important dates for CCMT or a particular college, I can fill it. Suppose I get a call from one angle, so I can put an important date of the interview here, or other things. So this one is there. Then I'll put a status. So actually status is not required here because there's a common counseling. So instead of writing a status, I have consolidated this sheet to make sure that I keep track of the top colleges, and in case I'm getting a lower college, I'll try to upgrade my waitlist, and I'll try to aim at a better college, or I'll just refer this site. So this is the list of NITs, and you can keep this list for your reference whenever you want. Then I have kept one another sheet, and this sheet is called exams sheet. So what is basically, this is purely personal sheet. So this is not general, and this is specific to what I am doing. So I'll just give you a brief of the sheet. Explain this. So this is the serial number, then exam, then status, then exam date, result, important events, remarks, admit card, others, applied program, and syllabus and pattern. So what this sheet is all about is how many exams I'm giving. So currently I am aiming at these 5 exams. So these are GATE, BARC, IIIT Hyderabad, JNU, and BITS. I have to fill for ISI Kolkata as well. So these are the colleges. These are the exams I need to give to get into the best colleges. So GATE is already done. So I have written the status as done. Then I have given the second status BARC. BARC form is I've just today filled this, so I'll just change it to complete, or complete, yeah, complete. So I complete means I have completed all the formalities like forms, and uh, I've also booked. So in BARC you have to fill your form, and I'm giving a BARC on the basis of GATE plus the BARC online exam. So you have a choice while filling the form, either by GATE or by online exam or by both. So I have done by both, and I'm sorry, this keeps on coming. So where was I? Yeah. So so I've written this completed because I've already booked my slot, and my exam is on 22nd March 9 a.m. in Noida, and this is the result date. So currently result date is not out. So what they have mentioned is last date for candidates to upload their GATE form and display of a list of candidates shortlisted for interview will be on second week of April. So maybe second week of April, if the date comes, I'll fill in here. If it doesn't come, then this block will be blank. And so here I've written all the important dates and events, in case any important date I should not miss on that. Then remarks. So I've written the remarks, whatever the information I need to keep track of, and I'll just put it in the middle. So it says upload GATE scores before 30th March. So whenever the so on 12th March 5 p.m. GATE result will be coming, and I will need to keep remembering. I need to just remember that I have to fill in the GATE, upload the results scores on BARC website before 30th March. So generally, of course, when the result will be out, there will be a lot of anxiety. I don't know if the result will be good or the result will be bad. So suppose the result is average, and I'm not sure which colleges or which IITs and ITs I can apply to, I'll be very anxious, and I might miss on this particular information. So in case I miss on this particular information, my application for BARC will be invalid. So I need to remember this. That's why I've created this sheet, and here I have written down upload the GATE scores before 30th March. So, and this column is for admit card. So I have I'm sorry. So I have kept my admit card here. Generally I miss out on forms, and there sometimes you misplace the admit card or anything. So in that case I just want it to be ready in front of me, so I have just embedded the object here. So how to embed an object, I'll just let you know. So here in the insert you have an object. um, so you click on object and you can just embed any kind of document. So since this is a PDF document, I'll just put it at PDF. I'll click on display as icon, so it will be displayed like this. As you can see, this is displayed like this, and I can change the icon. I'm not manipulating it much because I don't want to, it's not required. So you can click on browse. Did you track this? Okay, so you selected the type of object, then you can create from file and you can browse. So on browse you can go to desktop and say I have a say this is the paper I want to, this is the form I want to um, you know or I'll just put this image I want to insert, and so this will come your data and you'll select it. Now what, there are two things that you can do. Suppose you don't want to suppose your uh, sheet and your system is fixed and it's not changing, and you can just put it as a link to file. So link to file will be, you'll have a link here, and it will not actually embed the data, and there will be a link. So if you misplace or if you delete the actual image, that is new.jpg, from the particular location, then your link will be invalid. So I do not do that mostly because I prefer, in case it gets misplaced, I prefer embedding it into the file, and I don't mind this Excel shield to be loaded. So what happens is when you do this, your object gets, okay, this is disturbing. Okay, so what happens is this object gets embedded uh, into your Excel sheet, and the size of the sheet increases. So if you don't mind the size of sheet increasing, and you can just put it as display or as icon, or in case you want to put it as a link and you do not want to embed it, you can put it as link to file. So this is how you can embed an object, and I have imported this new.jpg here. Okay, so like this. So this is your personal sheet and you can change it. There's another one, this one, like in gate I have put in my gate response. The gate response I downloaded, so when you double click it you can open it. See, this is the gate response I downloaded from the gate website, and I saved it as a PDF. So I mean, this is one of the documents that I want to keep track of. I want to, this is one of I feel it's an important document, so I'll keep it here. And if and similarly here also. So this one is bark form. So this is, what is this? This is information brochure of bark. So I have put this for any other important document you want to keep. Then which program I have applied to. So sometimes you have multiple programs you can apply to. You can apply to computer science, you can apply to say software engineering, you can apply to MTech, you can apply to PhD. So I'll just write down which particular program I've applied to for the particular exam. Like in JNU specifically, they have computer and system sciences. So I've applied for that, and that's why I put this particular program name. What this will do is, this will help me you know remember that I've applied for this particular um, uh, course, and I should know the details of this particular course. Then I have not yet filled a triple ID form, and I have just written the details. Now the last column is for syllabus and pattern. I have just filled it in the bark section because I have not yet encountered any of the bark papers. I'll just check the papers. So I've just written the data available from the website of bark. So what they have said that all questions of the online exam are of objective type. So I don't want to refer to go to the website again and again and check the data. So I feel this will be immediately visible and I can see it, so I can just check that there will be 100 questions in all, and the question are designed that the candidate will able to be answer all the 100 questions in 120 minutes. So there are 100 questions, 2 hours time, and this is the syllabus also mentioned that this will be specific to the science discipline, and so on. So this particular column is for syllabus and any other pattern that I want to keep track of. Again, you can manipulate the sheet based on your information, based on your need. So that's it. This is the sheet I have made, and this sheet is available on my website, on my blog, that is innovatehub.wordpress.com. You can refer there. I mean, you can go to that site and you can just download it. I'll also put the download link on the description box below. Um, this is for your help, and I mean, in case this is useful for you, and in any form, or you like this video, just press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, and that's it.